So guys, I'm discuss about that how to increase your Twitter followers. So I'm not using any kind of third-party tools. Previous I'm checking for a lot of options are there. Everyone you can using for third-party tools and every option will be using. First of all, your tweet post is more important. Coming to your profile, what are your particular profile will be given. In this, we have to using for particular hashtags where your description option. So that is most important for your particular option will be here. So yeah, just you can add for this option. Add your website, everything will be ready. So yeah, just save it. I'm adding for only for small icons will be here using hashtags. We can up to will be support for 160 characters. How many? 160 character. We can add in for here logo making, or else we can use any option will be here. So here, save. Is the main purpose of when you click for training option will be here. How many tweets will be done in a particular Twitter? So they are all showing for your particular option will be there. When our latest post is going on, they will be done by 32 seconds back. The post will be done. So here, in this, we have posting will be a lot of option will be given here. One is called image and video, GIF images, poll creation, everything. The recent updating for the schedule post option. Which option? Schedule post option. In this we have. Coming to this option, first of all, uploading purpose, we have to selecting for videos will be there. Most of the you can selecting for video option. So this all option will be here, the particular things. So just we are using here, select the video and putting for hashtags. So here, just I'm posting for this option. What are the parameters are using here? You can use this option. So yeah. So now click for tweet. Each tweet will be done by your particular post option. See this one, the done by post will be here. Now click for more option, click for analytics. How many impression, everything you can check by the analytics option will be impression. So see here, the posting will be here. See this option will be going on in this option will be here. Now you can check. What are the impression will be get, the showing will be here. And based on hashtag will be more important. What are the hashtag will be used? They will be supporting for your particular tweet option. Second thing is called what are the tweet you done by, we can using for pin to your profile option. Any people come into your profile is always showing for header option. Embed tweet, we can showing for your particular website. I'll give the small demo option. Any website we can go to, not any website, we can go to a same website. Select here. In this, scrolling down in a particular page option here. This is the embed tweet option. These all will be supporting for which one? The particular tweet will be promotion purpose. The Twitter activities. The activity you can check for analytics option. Get started. So this will come into where your particular will be time zone option will be here. So that will be in this option will be here. Next thing will be how many people will be commenting, retweet and like option. Everything you can show by in this option. The final option will be here. Send via direct message. We can sending to everyone with a particular message. So yeah. select it. People receive a message will be direct. Next will be add tweet bookmarks. In this bookmark we can add it. Now going to your bookmark is always save for bookmark option. The people come into your Twitter. Suppose I'm open for a new tab option. Just click for profile. Nobody can log into my Twitter. Just I'm showing for this option here. In this will be here. When people will be logging, the showing for bookmark option will be in the particular tweet option. So nothing will be there, this particular things. When your login will be done, so yeah, just login will be done. See this bookmark. So they will be show for in this particular tweet option. So just copy here. What are the tweets are here? Replace media and will be what are things will be given. They show you a particular options in this. So these all will be particular. Twitter will be follow this option. So they will be like now. If you send any message to the particular things, so what we discuss here, here. People receive message will be here. In the message box will be activate here, will be checked. In this, people will be watch. They come into your particular Twitter. Most of you can share for the right message. And one more thing, guys, no need to we can follow any person. Simple, we can go over here, copy link to tweet, select. I'm showing for sample one. I will be sharing here. So any person will select here. If you not follow here, just you can message will be here. You can sending for direct message in this option. And click for here. So just I'm showing, I'm not sharing anything, will be here. So if you're not in your friend list also, we can share your particular link into the particular page option. So what other peoples are there? We can refresh on the, we can selecting for number of persons. We can sharing for particular tweet will be in the particular persons. They will interest, they share your message will be and they follow your Twitter page option. And one more best option is called, we can using for trending keyword. So these are the trending keywords are there. So just here, COVID-19, trending, news. Previous, this option will be not there. The reason I'm bringing for this all options are there. Trending, what are the trending will be here? See here. Based on the trending, we can show your news will be here. Sports, fun, entertainment in this here. So trending here. And select your location, change your location, add your location, where it is location will be Hyderabad. Select it, close it. Here, what are the parameters are there will be here. You can using this option in this here. In this, the showing one post will be here. See this option. What are the trending will be going on? Share this post will be a particular option will be here. So just I'm showing here how we will trending your post. Select on Twitter. So why I'm adding for website link to generating for here. Post it. Where you can go for analytics. Tweet will be here. So within seconds, what are the minutes will be? They're going to will be trending here. So just latest post. We can check how many seconds this will be. 20 seconds back. People will be what are the posting will be here. We can check this option. And one more thing, once your post will be done, we can't edit option will be there in Twitter. And this will be sharing for your Facebook and LinkedIn also we can share. We can increase your Twitter followers. How we can check? Using for Twitter activities. What are the trending posts we can post on your particular Twitter option, increase your followers, and we can using for particular sharing your tweet will be the particular Facebook and LinkedIn option. I'll show you here how you can share. Just and go to profile, select it, copy link to select option here. So we can go here, select option will be in this here. So here, just what we can posting in this. Post. Just you have to wait for few seconds. They will updating for your post option. Just here. When click here, they go to where Twitter option. Why? First we have to increase the Twitter follow after they're watching for your video option. Same we can share it for where the particular LinkedIn also. So these are the increasing for Twitter followers option. Main thing, the regular hashtags. So today will be coming to this Thursday. So what hashtag will be here? What are the here? Thursday morning, motivation, thoughts, vibes, and Thursday. These all we can use the particular options. Just I'm using for Thursday thought. So what do we can selecting here? So I'm sharing this option. Here, post it. Anything, what are the training you've done, everything you check by analytics option. What are the tweet you've done? You can check for where the particular option will be here. So today, how many posts, how many tweets is a impression will be done. You can check for the particular tweet option. So this is a tweet we can use on the Twitter to increase your Twitter followers based on the tweet option shared by your Facebook or LinkedIn on the particular website. So these are the instruction we can follow. Increase your Twitter and followers and Twitter engagement also will be happening in your particular option. And one more option very important. Twitter will be sharing not only for post and images. You can share your website link, YouTube links, different images, and post your latest information. Share same image. Don't upload for multiple times. It's a waste of your time to increase your followers. Share the new thoughts, new things for the particular Twitter option. Don't forget the hashtag for the particular posting on the Twitter option.